Just got back from 80% Arms. I had to pick up the new Texas lower receiver. It's really cool. I'll show it to you at another time. This is not the time for that. The vibes were good over there. I listened to the whole thing this morning and talking to those guys about it. They're going to have an official statement later. Female attorney for the ATF, she did a really good job. I mean, just being honest, like, she did a good job and she brought up some good points. And I have a lot of notes on those that I'm going to be releasing here as some shorts to kind of dive into some of those individual details. But our attorney on the other side, I wish they would have let him speak a little bit more. I feel like he was cut off quite a bit. He also was specifically putting out some alternatives, and I don't feel like those were really heard or understood on their part. They weren't letting him elaborate. Ultimately, they're going to come back and throw this out because they're changing a regulation that has a criminal go to jail component to it just based on some definitions. I don't think that's going to fly.